Welcome to our in-depth review of Villa Premier Boutique Hotel and Romantic Getaway, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. This adults-only paradise is the perfect escape for couples seeking a luxurious and intimate retreat. Let's dive into what makes this 5-star hotel a standout destination for lovebirds and relaxation enthusiasts alike. First up, let's talk about the accommodations that await you at Villa Premier. With 83 rooms and suites, this boutique hotel offers a variety of options to suit your needs. While specific details about each room category are a bit elusive, we can tell you that luxury rooms with ocean views are definitely on the menu. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently lapping at the shore, drawing back your curtains to reveal a breathtaking vista of the Pacific Ocean. It's a kind of view that makes you want to linger in bed just a little longer, sipping your morning coffee as you watch the sun climb higher in the sky. While we can't give you an exact rundown of in-room amenities, it's safe to assume that these upscale digs come equipped with all the modern conveniences you'd expect from a 5-star establishment. Think air conditioning to keep you cool in the tropical heat, flat-screen TVs for those moments when you want to unwind with a movie, and minibars stocked with refreshing beverages. And let's not forget about those all-important en-suite bathrooms, because nothing says luxury quite like a long, relaxing soak after a day of sun and sand. While we can't give you specifics on room sizes or maximum occupancy, we can say that the hotel's boutique nature means you're in for an intimate, personalized experience. And isn't that what a romantic getaway is all about? Now, let's move on to one of the most important aspects of any vacation: the food. Villa Premier boasts 3 restaurants, which is quite impressive for a boutique hotel of this size. While we don't have the specific names or concepts of these dining establishments, we can let our imaginations run wild. Picture a candlelit terrace restaurant, where you can dine under the stars, serenaded by the gentle ocean breeze. Or perhaps a chic, modern eatery serving up innovative fusion cuisine that blends local Mexican flavors with international techniques. And let's not forget about the possibility of a casual beachfront grill, perfect for those lazy afternoons when you just can't bring yourself to leave the sand. While we can't give you a rundown of menu highlights or dress codes, we can assure you that with 3 distinct dining options, you're bound to find something to satisfy your culinary cravings. And let's be honest, half the fun of a vacation is discovering these things for yourself, right? It's like a gastronomic treasure hunt. Just remember, if you're planning a special romantic dinner, it might be wise to make a reservation. After all, nothing kills the mood quite like a long wait for a table when you're dressed to the nines and ready to impress your significant other. When it comes to pools and beaches, Villa Premier has got you covered. Or should we say uncovered? The hotel features a small pool, perfect for those times when you want to take a refreshing dip without battling the waves. It's worth noting that the pool closes early on Thursdays for a special dinner event. So if you're planning a late-night swim on a Thursday, you might want to rethink your plans. Maybe use that time to explore the town instead? Speaking of exploration, the hotel's beachfront location means you're just steps away from feeling the sand between your toes. While we don't have specific details about beach activities, we can imagine the possibilities. Building sandcastles, taking romantic walks along the shore as the sun sets, or simply lounging on a beach chair with a good book and the sound of waves as your soundtrack. And let's not forget about the potential for water sports. Who's up for a bit of paddleboarding or kayaking? Just remember to pack your sunscreen. That Mexican sun can be fierce. Now, let's talk about activities. While Villa Premier might not be a sprawling resort with endless options, it does offer a more curated experience. The hotel boasts a relaxing spa, perfect for those times when you want to pamper yourself. While we don't have details about specific treatments, we can let our imaginations run wild. Picture couples massages with the sound of the ocean in the background, rejuvenating facials using local ingredients, or perhaps a traditional Temazcal ceremony for a truly authentic Mexican wellness experience. And let's not forget about the potential for yoga classes on the beach at sunrise. Talk about starting your day off right. While information about a fitness center isn't readily available, We're willing to bet that between beach walks, swimming, and exploring the town, you'll get plenty of exercise without even trying. And isn't that the best kind of workout? The one that doesn't feel like work at all? Speaking of exploration, one of Villa Premier's biggest selling points is its location. Situated near the famous Malecon, you're just a stone's throw away from the heart of Puerto Vallarta. This means easy access to shopping, dining, and all sorts of tourist spots. Fancy a bit of retail therapy? The boutiques of the Malecon are calling your name. Want to immerse yourself in local culture? Check out the numerous art galleries showcasing works by Mexican artists. And let's not forget about the potential for nightlife. Salsa clubs, anyone? The best part is, after a night of dancing and margaritas, your cozy hotel room is just a short walk away. No need to worry about taxis or designated drivers here. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the absence of elephants in the room. Villa Premier is an adults-only hotel, which means you won't find any kids' clubs or family-friendly activities here. But let's be honest, sometimes that's exactly what you want in a romantic getaway. No screaming children in the pool, no family-sized groups taking up all the restaurant tables. Just you, your significant other, and a whole lot of peace and quiet. It's the perfect setting for rekindling the romance or celebrating a special occasion like an anniversary or honeymoon. So leave the kids with grandma and grandpa and treat yourself to some well-deserved adult time. When it comes to the overall review of Villa Premier, it's clear that this hotel has a lot going for it. The intimate atmosphere and personalized service are consistently praised by guests. Many reviewers rave about the hotel's location, cleanliness, and the attentiveness of the staff. With a TripAdvisor rating of 4.7 out of 5 based on over 5,000 reviews, it's clear that Villa Premier is doing something right. The hotel ranks as the number 2 all-inclusive in Puerto Vallarta, which is no small feat in a city known for its luxury resorts. However, it's worth noting that some guests mention limited on-site activities compared to larger resorts. But let's be real. If you're choosing a boutique hotel, you're probably not looking for a jam-packed activity schedule anyway, right? So, what makes Villa Premier stand out from the crowd? It's all about the details. The adults-only policy ensures a sophisticated and tranquil atmosphere, perfect for those seeking a peaceful escape. The personalized service means you're not just another room number, but a valued guest whose needs are anticipated and met with a smile. The elegant decor adds a touch of luxury to your stay, making you feel like you're in your own private paradise. And let's not forget about the location, close enough to the action to enjoy all that Puerto Vallarta has to offer, but secluded enough to feel like you're in your own little world. It's the best of both worlds, really. While we don't have specific information about events and conference facilities, it's worth noting that boutique hotels like Villa Premier often offer more intimate spaces for small gatherings or business meetings. Picture a beachfront pavilion for a destination wedding or a stylish boardroom for that important presentation. The personalized service that Villa Premier is known for would likely extend to any events held at the hotel, ensuring a memorable experience for all involved. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.